Hello everybody. Low coolant level warning light sensor is losing insulation on connecting wires. Copper wires are exposed. The sensor sits inside the coolant overflow tank. A float donut with a magnet follows the liquid level, and when low, the magnet induces electric circuit closing in the sensor. This dash light illuminates, and we must pull over to save the engine from overheating. Inside the sensor we have a simple reed switch. Similar sensor works in windshield washer fluid tank. I must replace wires and keep all the rest. I already have wires with connectors that sits inside the plug. Actually, I have several harnesses from this car model, and those connectors are present in many different plugs. I open the plug and remove old connectors. Before cutting wires, I must check the distance between a specific point on the socket and the middle of the reed switch. It is important to set it at the same height. Here I have 25 millimeters. I get rid of old wires. I gently drilled out old wires from the socket. New wires passing through. Now I will lock new connectors inside the plug. There are specific protrusions to lock connectors in place. And I lock the plug. So this side is ready. I will pass the wires through a sleeve that will protect wires from rubbing metal car body. Now the socket. If you drive a tablet on wheels, then go with it straight to the dealership. There is a sensor on a sensor that connects to a controller which communicates with the car's ECU, which sends the info to the producer, dealership, government agency, and who knows where else. This info stays in cloud forever. So everybody knows that your car level sensor was not operational at that time. Or maybe the subscription for this feature in your car just expired. The reed switch soldered in. Let's check it out. Ohm meter. Magnet. And it works. Sweet. Now I must set the right height for the switch. 25 millimeters. Hot glue holds the wires to the socket. No tablets in my car, so it will work under cover. Just like new. Into the tank it goes. Let's test it with the float in the tank. Full. Empty. Full. Everything back in the car. Till next time.